Ngā mihi nui kia koutou katoa. It's a delight to be here. It's extremely important that Te Reo is celebrated as part of the taonga of this country. Words obviously are important to Featherston, Booktown and our mahi.
Kia ora tātou. Tēnā tātou, kua rewa te ngā kau te kite atu, te toko maha kua tai mai te nepo.
For those who have attended tonight's event, it's all about normalising the language. It's important that we normalise it in all different contexts, including, book festivals, whether it be rugby club rooms, whether it be the pāpara kauta, it could be anywhere.
Thank you, Auntie.
So the 1 Million Speakers event is very, very special to us because that is a dream for our country, that the reo as a taonga is preserved and lives and grows.
E whakapono nui ana ka tae e tātou, tēke ki taua paitawhitira, te Kotahi Miriona Tāngata, Kōrero Māori hei te tau reo mano whātekau. But we've got a long way to go.
E kore e taia te reo, te ora I roto I te mātotorutanga o te reo Pākehā.
Te hunga kōrero Māori, te hunga matatau ki te reo Māori, ko te toko I titonu tēnā. That group in particular has got to grow quickly. Hoi anō, ko te whānau ki au, kei reira ke, they're the real drivers of us getting to that paitawhiti. And if we can get as many whānau on as possible, then that goal is certainly achievable ki au nei.
Nei channel tahi, ka rongo koe te reo o te atua.
To have a simultaneous translation from Te Reo into English is incredibly important, and to have Te Taura Whiri available to us as a translation interpretation service is incredibly exciting.
Cool. So turn it on.
Yep. You can even do it. See you later.
Someday in the future, when hopefully I come back and talk to the same crowd, we don't need the pūtaringa, we don't need the headphones or the live interpretation, because they've got a good understanding of the language, enough to get them through a whole hour of speaking in completely te reo Māori.